We got a box.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Street Scooter YouTube channel. Today we have a box. Super Clean was kind enough to send us a care package, so we're gonna test out some of their products and review them, let you guys know what we think. Just because we got this box for free does not mean that we are going to be biased. So I guess let's get to it. Open this thing up, see what we got.
Ooh, free stuff.
Got a nice hat.
Nice. I get the hat because I'm bald.
And nice soft feeling t-shirt.
Super cool.
So we got some floor dry.
Some degreaser.
I'm assuming that goes on there.
Yeah.
Extra spray nozzle.
All wheel cleaner. See that? See that? So our wheels are always dirty.
More degreaser. And
More foaming degreaser.
foaming degreaser. And
Clean some stuff.
looks like. So I definitely thought that I already said this, but I was editing the video and realized that I completely forgot to even mention it. But thank you, Super Clean, for sending us that box of product. We really appreciate it.
So I think the first thing that we're gonna try is the wheel degreaser because I've got these nasty wheels that have brake dust.
That one's actually the cleanest one.
It is clean, but if you look in here, there's brake dust that actually doesn't come off.
Show them the dirty one. Even this one right here.
It's all dirty.
Yeah, but it's way dirtier than the other one.
Dirty. So I have a problem cleaning my stuff after events. Well, this car's been sitting for like 3 years, so that's even worse.
Yeah, she filthy.
She dirty. All that dirty nasty.
This says rinse wheel thoroughly with cold water. We just have a spray bottle with soapy water. Probably do it without the soap or with the soap. I don't think it'll hurt it. Coat wheel surface with Super Clean all-wheel cleaner from 6 inches away. Allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. Rinse wheel thoroughly. And for extremely dirty wheels, agitate with soft brush or sponge. We have a
We got
fiber
microfiber.
towel.
Same.
From about 6 inches away.
That's about 6, right?
Yeah, 6 to 10. 6, 10, same.
Agitate.
So in the summertime, it'd be ideal to do this outside with a hose, but it's winter here and it's like 30 degrees outside, so we resort to a spray bottle in the garage. I mean, that's pretty impressive.
Wheel weight stayed on, so that's nice. It doesn't have like that really nasty chemical smell like a lot of the wheel cleaners I've used. So like that's nice. You don't feel like you're breathing in a bunch of nasty chemicals. So it cleans pretty good. Like I said, all the wheel weights are still on there. 10 out of 10, would recommend. That's pretty
It's like
good.
minimal effort cleaning, really. I mean, you sprayed it on, let it sit for 25-30 seconds and rubbed it with a microfiber towel and clean. Like, then rinse it back off and then use a dry microfiber towel and dry it, and that's, I mean,
I don't know if I would
buy it.
Yeah, I don't know if I would 100% recommend trying it on like my 3-piece wheels, but these are just cheap wheels, like drift spares basically. So, I mean, use with caution on expensive 3-piece wheels. Maybe we'll try them if I feel like it. But
If we use it on the 3-piece wheels, it'll be spring, summertime. Jake, what are your initial thoughts on the wheel cleaner?
cleans wheels. It seems pretty good. Like I said, it doesn't have like a harsh chemical smell, and my hands, like, they recommend that you wear gloves. I don't listen to directions, so my hands feel fine. They're not all itchy like some of that stuff leaves your hands like nasty.
So this is kind of what the other side looked like. So this is before and after. With pretty minimal elbow grease.
For the next product that we're gonna try, this super clean foam, the foaming stuff. We've got the old Tacoma floor mats. They're pretty nasty. Don't use these anymore, but it'd probably be a good test. So for this one, we're gonna actually go to the car wash, and it's a lot easier just to hose these things down at the car wash than sit here and try and use just water. So
We do recommend diluting 3 parts water, 1 part super clean for carpets and floor mats. But I think since we're using the foaming stuff, shouldn't have to worry about it because they have a lot of different like foaming carpet cleaners and stuff. But we'll see how it turns out, and if anything goes wrong, we know you need to dilute it. We do just want to reiterate that Super Clean did not pay us to make this video. They just sent us an email, said that they had some products that they thought that we could find useful, and sent us a box. Didn't restore it to like brand new. You can see there's still some stains, but here there's a little bit of brown still in it here. But I mean, that thing was filthy and probably hasn't been cleaned in how many years.
I'll have to see, like, after it gets dry. And I didn't really scrub like that hard on it. So I mean, so far it looks pretty dang clean.
Yeah. So now we're gonna try the non-foaming degreaser. See if we can get some of the gunk off of the grill. I'm impressed. Use it on the engine, whatever. I mean, obviously we don't have a filthy, greasy engine to use it on currently. Probably could have used it on the BMW, but it's really cold out. I don't want to be outside for very long. Grill is clean. These little imperfections were already there, so that wasn't caused by the degreaser.
I mean, that's three years worth of grease. I haven't cleaned the outside of this since I got it. The inside I clean regularly, but not the outside. So that's pretty good.
I mean, he just scrubbed this for what, like 4 minutes maybe?
Yeah,
It took to clean the whole thing.
Yeah, that's pretty decent. You could use like probably some stainless cleaner on it to make it look a little bit better, but
yeah,
it's got film on it. That doesn't tell you that it's gonna make it shine. It's just gonna clean all the grease off it, and that's what it did. So, I mean,
either way, it looks a lot better in our personal opinions.
yeah.
We did look all this stuff up, and everything's what, $6 to $8, I think,
Yeah.
per product for 32-ounce bottles.
Usually that stuff's, I think they're usually like $12 or more. It's not like we're trying to sell you on it, because obviously, like we said before, they're not paying us to say any of this. It's just if you are spending a lot of money on degreasers and stuff like that, what's $7, $8 to give it a try? I mean, it worked really good on the wheels. It worked really good, that foaming stuff, on the carpet. I mean,
If you took a couple extra minutes to scrub that a little bit more,
I mean, there's
with that
like
brush, I think it would have been
it was freezing.
near mint.
Yeah, it was freezing out there. I didn't want to stand out there any longer, so I mean, that was literally maybe 2 minutes worth of work.
So the last thing we need to try out is floor absorbent. I think we're just gonna spill something on the floor here and toss a little bit on it and see how well it absorbs. It claims that it is 4 times as absorbent as the normal clay absorbent. Take a look in here. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes. Jake's gonna go ahead and push broom this and see what happens.
Looks pretty dry.
Pretty dry. There's no standing liquid there, at least. Everything's pretty affordable. I mean, I was really impressed with the wheel cleaner, honestly, and the foaming degreaser on the floor mat actually worked really well. I think if we would have took just a little bit extra time on scrubbing it, it would have been mint, but still did a pretty good job. I mean, I'd buy the stuff, I guess.
If I were to say anything, these two things right here, the floor absorbent, we don't usually use a whole lot of it, but I mean, it'd be nice to have, because I do spill like oil and stuff like that, and obviously we just used it on water, but I'm not gonna waste oil just to do this. So, but yeah, these two right here, I would highly recommend, especially if you're either looking for something or don't have, if you're spending a lot of money on wheel cleaners and, foam type products for your carpet. It worked really good. I really just took a couple minutes to scrub that, and I could have done a lot better, if it wasn't freezing outside. But yeah, these two products right here I would recommend highly, especially car related anything. Those would be your best.
Even the other, just the regular spray bottle degreaser, I don't know where that went, but this is still the same stuff. It's just foaming, and then this is just your standard foaming degreaser in an aerosol can. So I guess it depends on what you want, what you prefer. And again, Super Clean did not pay us for any of this, aside from sending us a box of free product to try. They even told us that there is no obligation on our end to make a video on it, but we figure, why not? I'd never heard of it until they contacted us, and then I looked it up. I guess you can get it at AutoZone or Advance Auto. I think Walmart even carries it. Definitely worth a shot.
Clean your stuff. Don't be like me, who lets it sit for 3 years on your wheels. This stuff works pretty good, so. Quit being a slob and clean your stuff. Clean your brake dust off your wheels, even if they're cheap wheels. That's all I got.
That's all I got. So, hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.